Hey friends, it's Jodelle with GETFIT with Jodelle, and today I want to talk about red light therapy. So you've seen me touch on this in other episodes, but I'm going to take you through some devices today that I really recommend. Anything for as little as $2 you're going to spend, all the way up to quite a bit more. But it gives you some options to just try to play around with the vast benefits of red light therapy. You're going to be amazed. In fact, let's just go through some of those right now. So red light therapy, what is it? It's the use of red light and that red spectrum of the sun that's so healing in kind of an endogenous way, if you will, in your home or around yourself, surrounding yourself with this red light that maybe sometimes we can miss from the sun. And the best way, I mean, if you really want to do red light therapy, is to just watch the sun come up in the morning and watch the sun set. But if you can't do that, maybe you work an office job that requires you to be up at the break of dawn and you're already at work in the office and you just can't get that full spectrum, and then you're not getting home till after the sun sets. I get it. So these are some things you can do to really stimulate your body with the benefits of red light therapy. So what are some of the benefits? Okay, so it stimulates mitochondrial function, which all of us need because we're constantly having mitochondrial tear down, if you will. It has anti-aging of the skin, or what I like to call positive aging, and really taking care of your skin. You know, we're going to age, but let's do it gracefully and positively in the right manner. And gene transcription, interestingly enough, it helps with anti-aging of your genes, so that's kind of cool. Then you have enhances athletic performance, okay, through speeding up muscle recovery, so that's really cool. Enhances cognitive performance. You're going to think better because, again, when you enhance that mitochondria, your cells are going to function more optimally when those engines are running on all 8 cylinders. Eases inflammation and pain. A lot of people will share the benefits of how red light therapy has taken away their pain and eased their inflammation that they were having. So combine that with an infrared sauna, and boy, you've got the best of both worlds. Reduces cellulite, so not the look of cellulite, it actually gets rid of cellulite, and I am living proof of this because after my toxic mold exposure, I actually developed cellulite for the first time in my life within a matter of like 2 to 3 months. It was just like I was riddled with it. But doing infrared sauna and red light therapy has completely eliminated, along with a few other things. But I will say that I noticed a difference with the red light therapy. It accelerates wound healing. Sorry, I'm having trouble speaking today. Apparently I need more red light therapy so I can enhance cognitive performance, which is about to happen because I'm going to show you some of my favorite devices. But wound healing, so think about someone after post-surgery. It might be really beneficial for them to get their hands on some red light therapy post-surgery and try that out. It's definitely going to help you. Also, stress relieving, okay? And I can attest to this. Sitting in front of a red light is really soothing. And sometimes I'll do my handheld red light device just before bed, like over my eyes. I know it sounds crazy, but to put that over closed eyes is really soothing, okay? And I had a lot of eye issues with my toxic mold exposure, which have vastly lessened with my red light therapy that I do to them now. So, cellular detoxification, okay? We definitely want to clean those cells out because they get toxic debris from this world like we wouldn't believe. So if red light therapy can do that, it's definitely something to have on hand. And then also numerous studies show the benefit of helping the thyroid. That's why you've heard me talk about putting red light therapy right on my thyroid. I'm going to show you that today. And so you definitely want to look that up, do your homework, and just look up some of those studies. It will amaze you at how many there are depicting the benefits of red light therapy for the thyroid. And then also, when combined with something called methylene blue, which I will be talking about in future podcasts because I'm experimenting with it now, and I think I'm addicted to it, but that's a whole other subject. But when combined with this substance called methylene blue, studies are showing greater effect on the mitochondria, and it's very interesting how just exposing yourself to red light and using methylene blue creates this energy like I've never felt before. So anyway, that's just some of the benefits. Now let me take you through some of the products that I use and want to show you so that you can see if it's right for you. Okay, here we go. Now, red light therapy could be as simple as putting a red bulb in a lamp, just like the one I have here sitting on the table. So I would put the red bulb in there, and at night after the sun goes down, I just turn that little dude on. That's an incandescent red light. So it's full spectrum red light, so that's what you want to look for. They're very inexpensive. They're maybe only like about, you know, $4 for a pack of 2 or something like that. So definitely an easy way to get red light in your house, red light therapy in your house. So I wanted to show you the Nova Red. This is also a red light therapy device that I recommend and use, and you might have seen it showcased on some of my other videos. This is very easy to use, and it's got really minimal EMF, just a minimal radiation because it's not plugged into anything. You're just going to charge it with a nice, it's USB friendly, it plugs right into anything and charges. And then you turn it on. It sets a timer for you for 3 minutes. You put it on the designated area. Let's say it's your thyroid, maybe you want to help your liver a little bit. Put it right on your liver, right on your pancreas, whatever's going on internally, or right on a part of your skin that's having an issue. And you hold it right on there, and it's going to go off after 3 minutes, so you can't like underdo or overdo. So it's really easy to use. But look, you can do this while you're hanging out with your kids, doing whatever you need to do, getting done whatever you need to get done. So it's really easy to mess around with. So any skin issue, acne, some sort of scarring, do this every day, 3 minutes a day. You're going to notice a difference. And I really like this because it's so easy to take with me. I can travel with this, and this is a much safer route, in my opinion, than thyroid medication. And I've seen immense results by using it and keeping it going. So I highly recommend this sort of handheld way of doing red light therapy. Now I'm going to show you another thing I just came across and I just got in the mail that might give you another idea of how to incorporate red light therapy. And I think you're going to be really impressed with the quality of this item. So here we go. Welcome to my SaunaSpace review here. I ordered the one light kit, the single light kit from SaunaSpace, and I'm about to take it out of the box and show you how beautiful it is and how it works. Handle with care, fragile. So it comes really well packaged. Here is the case that makes it 0 EMF, so that the light is going to screw in down there. Look at this beautiful wood and the little switch, little toggle switch that goes with it. And the light is safely tucked in this nice little bag here, so I'll get that out in just a second and plug it up. And also a cord to keep you grounded and out of frame, grounded and EMF free. So I like that this company goes out of their way to make sure that everything stays as 0 EMF as possible. So let's try it out. So this is the back of the device, and I wanted to show how it even comes with this heated cover for the plug-in that it's going to plug into here. So this is a nice little heat protection thing. They've also had that nice little bag. I've plugged the light in. That thing is huge, by the way. And then if you want to see how easily it is to change bulbs in this dude, you're just going to pull, let's see if I can do this holding the camera. I said it was easy, but I got to figure out which way it goes here. So it's this side, you open that up, and then you unscrew the bulb, and then screw it back in, and voila. And their bulbs are not expensive on their website. I think they're like between $8 and $15. So yeah, I thought that was really well made, really well designed. I mean, look at the hardware on it, and the wood is just solid. I love it. So this is what was in the other packet. So I got some fun little stickers to put on my, maybe I'll put it on my paddle board. It's kind of hypnotic. Whoa. And some clamps, and then this is just a demonstration. I just wanted to show this picture on the manual of like as easy as just putting it on a desk or a tabletop to give yourself that red light therapy. So, but I'm actually going to put mine in a teepee and make my own little like heated teepee. So, without blinding you, there it is, turned on my little tabletop here. I don't have my teepee yet because I'm finding the right adult one. They've got all these great, you know, little kid teepees, but I wanted my own. So I'm looking for the right size teepee that I'm going to put this in, and it's just as simple as sitting in front of it. I opted for the one light kit first before I go to their 4-panel light because I just wanted to try it out. But the heat coming off of this feels amazing already, and I just think this is going to be a really good starter way to get a lot of red light therapy in a really 0 EMF style, which is what I was looking for. So here's the toggle switch off, and I've just, you know, got it sitting on this little wooden platform on my table here. Eventually it'll be in my studio, but just kind of practicing for you guys here. Here it is back on. Yeah, it feels amazing. I love the heat coming off of that. So I'm sitting in front of the red light now. It took me literally less than 2 minutes to set up, so that's pretty cool. You can literally take it out of the box and right away begin using it. So it's really well crafted. I even love that the receipt paper was even this nice thick quality paper. Everything they've done here is quality. I mean, all the way down to like this Velcro band that wraps around the cord when you get it. I could totally reuse this Velcro band for something else. So I really appreciate quality items from people that really care about putting a good product out there. And that's why I only promote things that I myself am using. So I'm trying this one light kit to see how much I like it, because then if I really do enjoy it, I'm going to get the 4-panel kit and the pocket sauna, that's what they call it. Just because I wanted to try kind of the lowest option before I jump right into it. It is pricey, but again, you're getting craftsmanship, you're getting wood that's hypoallergenic, no chemical off-gassing. It's so smooth. Like this wood, I don't know how they did this, and I'm not quite sure what the wood is made of, like what type of wood it is, but it's really well made. And then the bulb is an incandescent bulb, so you get full spectrum red light therapy. I think it's 600 to 950 nanometers. And so there's the detoxifying benefits, there's the near infrared benefits of drawing toxins out of the body, drawing the heat out of you and heating the room around you. Like when I set up that teepee that I was talking about, I'm going to have like my own little sweat lodge where the heat's being pulled out of me as well as the light emitting some heat too. So yeah, it's just really 5-star. Like this is just really well made, and I'm excited to use it. I'm sitting in my tan through shirt here, not necessarily see-through, but tan through, and so I can get more of that full spectrum red light therapy all over. And I'm going to try it in a more full body way, like how they kind of show here in the manual. There's the 4-panel kit, and then a girl just kind of sitting in front of it. But I mean, whether you have 1 or 4, you're going to get the benefits. So this is just a way to kind of get your feet wet with red light therapy. I really love this whole setup here. I just love how nice it looks and how easy it is. So that's that. Thank you for watching. I'll be updating you as I continue to use this. So do you ever drop an F-bomb? I know I do, but I drop one in a healthy way, and I get them from dropnfbomb.com, and you can get yours and save 20% with my promo code GETFIT, G-E-T-F-I-T, all one word. And that's going to save you 20% off. And these are handy dandy little nut butter packets if you like nut butter, or oil packets to take on the go with you. They have MCT oil packets, they have avocado oil packets, which I love to healthfully fry things in and add to salads and stuff like that. So check them out, dropnfbomb.com. They've also got some really cool t-shirts there. I personally like the one that says "Fat on" with an exclamation point, so that's pretty cool. So check them out, get your code, and go today to save and drop an F-bomb in a healthy way.